Aloha everyone! For today's video, we will make laulau. It's an Hawaiian dish. First thing we need to do is to clean our taro leaves. We need to take it out the stem because we just need the leaves of the taro. Then we need to clean it good, our leaves. We need to clean one by one. Make sure that it's clean, no dirt, no bug, no insect or anything that's on the taro leaves. We need to make sure that it's really clean. We need to clean also our tea leaf that we're gonna use to wrap our laulau. Make sure also that it's really washed good. No dirt on it, no insects. So we need to make sure that it's really clean also. Then we need to cut our pork. It's a combination of a pork butt and a pork belly. So we need to cut it in cubes, like a big cubes. So we will put one big cut cube of pork belly and one big cut cubes of pork butt in the laulau. I'll show you guys later how to assemble it. So in this recipe, I use 4 taro leaves. So I'm gonna stack it together, and then we put 1 cube of the pork belly, and then 1 big cut cube of the pork butt. Then I put 1/4 teaspoon of the Himalayan salt. So just like that, and then you're gonna wrap it together. So make sure the pork belly, the pork butt is wrapped on a taro leaves. Then you need to get 2 tea leaf together, cross it together, and then you're gonna put on the middle, and just like that. Make sure it's covered everything, and then you're gonna take 1 stem of the tea leaf, you're gonna wrap it around it, and then you're gonna seal it. Make sure it's tightened so that when you steam it, it doesn't pull apart. So it's just like that. There you go. You just need to continue the process until you finish everything. And then when you finish assemble everything, we need to steam the laulau. So just like that, just continue the process until you finish everything. If you run out of tea leaf, other way that they wrap the laulau also is with the foil. So sometimes, you know, your tea leaf is not enough, so you can use a foil to wrap it. But traditional way, they use tea leaf to wrap it, and the tea leaf gives more flavor. That's why to the laulau. I prefer tea leaf also. So, but if you don't have it, you guys can use foil. That's okay. There you have it. We finished wrapping all our laulaus, so we're ready to steam it. So I'm gonna get my big pot so that I can steam my laulau. So I just need to arrange it on my pot. I made a lot, and unfortunately we ran out of our tea leaves, so I use foil for the rest of the laulau. So I'm gonna steam 2 batches. One is with all the one that I wrap with the tea leaf, and the other one is the one that I wrap it with foil. So for this one, we will steam it for 4 to 5 hours because we need to make sure that the pork is already tender, and then the taro leaves is cooked. Need to be like mushy or really cooked good, because if it's not, it's gonna be like itchy on your throat if it doesn't cook really good. So yeah, we just need to arrange everything and steam, and then we will wait. We will steam this one for at least 4 hours. So we will wait. We'll cover it and wait for 4 hours. This is the rest of the laulau that I made because I ran out of tea leaves, so I wrap it with foil. So I'm gonna cook it separately. So we just need to arrange everything on our steamer also, and then this one, it will cook to 4 to 5 hours also. So it's just like that. You just need to arrange it and steam it for 4 hours, and we will wait until everything is done, then we will taste it. So I just check our laulau if still have water on it, because we don't like run out of water. So just check it from time to time. So after 5 hours of steaming, it's finally done. Our laulau is finally done and ready to taste. So it would look like that. So we'll open it, take it out the tea leaf, and the one inside, the taro and the pork, that's the one we're gonna eat. The tea leaf, we're not gonna eat that one. We just use that one to wrap it. There you go. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification down below in order for you guys to get updated for all the videos that we make. Mahalo and aloha! Thank you for watching! It's really good. We need rice. We'll get rice.
It's good.
It's really good.
It's tender.
Come on, we need rice. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, try it.
I've never tried it before. No.
Come on, try it.
It's good.
How's it? How's it? Good?
Done.
See? Come on, we need rice. We'll get some rice.
Daddy, I like Laulau.
Let's eat dinner.
Boy, kalua, lomi salmon.